Hello everyone, in this video we will be looking for filling series. We have fill series with formatting, fill series without formatting, filling a weekdays, filling days. I have a series like January, that is month of the year. That series is already available in the custom list. Now see, I want to fill the month of the year. So for that, first of all, I have written here January and I have applied some format in this cell, that is bold and background color. Now see, I want to fill the month of the year in this column. First of all, I have to select it. After that, on the bottom right corner, when this plus sign will appear, then I have to drag it to downward direction. Now see what happened. It filled the series with month of the year. Also it filled the series with formatting. That means it copied the format also. Now again see, if I want to fill the series without formatting, now see, first of all I have to select it, then I have to drag it to downward direction, but this time I don't want to implement the formatting, so I have to click here. Now a pop-up will appear. From this I have to select fill without formatting. Now see, it filled the series January, Jan, Feb, March, April, May, but it has not copied the format. Again, I have a series of days of the week. Now I am going to select it and I have to drag it. In this column, I just want to fill formatting only. Now see, the series goes away, but the formatting is still in this column, that is the background color. Now come to another example. I have written MON, that is Monday. I have to drag it to downward direction. Now this time I want to click all weekdays. I do not want this Saturday and Sunday in my series. I just want only weekdays. So for that I have to select fill weekdays. Now Saturday, Sunday goes away. If I want to fill all the days, again I have to select fill days. Saturday, Sunday appear again. Now suppose I want to implement serial number before this column. For that, if I select only one and drag it to downward direction, it fill only one. So I have to train my Excel that I want to fill the series of numbers. Then I have to select 1 and 2 both, and when this plus sign will appear, then I have to drag it to downward direction. Now see, it filled the series of numbers before this column. We have one more method to implement the serial number, and that method is when this plus sign will appear, we do not have to drag it to downward direction. We just have to double click here. Now see, serial number is implemented before this column. Now suppose I want series of days of week in horizontal direction. We can do this. First of all, I have to select this MON, that is Monday. Now I have to just drag it to right side, not downward direction. When this plus sign will appear, I have to drag it to right side so that it will fill the series of days of the week. So in this way we can fill the series with formatting, without formatting, days of the week, and serial number. That's it for this video.